Day 4. Variables. Variables are named storage for a data that can be used and modified in a program. Range, tuple, set, rows on set, dictionary. Range. A range objectives represented an immutable sequence of a numbers. It's often used in loops. Examples: creating a range objectives or equal to range open bracket 5 close, print open bracket list open bracket or closed bracket again close, given the display in the output. Next one, tuple. Tuple is an immutable sequence of elements. Tuples can be contain different data types and are often used for fixed collection for items. Examples: creating a tuple t equal to open bracket 1 2 3 comma a b printed open bracket t closed bracket. This is the output. Next one, set. A set is an unordered collection of unique elements. It is useful for membership test and eliminating duplicate entries. Creating a set. This is the set values. Print a statement. This one is output. Frozen set. Frozen set is a immutable version of a set. Once created, it is a elements cannot be changed. Examples: example code. This is a output. Dictionary. A dictionary is an immutable collection. Key values pairs. Key must be unique and mutable while values can be of any data type. This is the examples. Name, age is a student, true statement. Print a value, this is a print. That's all. Thank you for watching.